It is from this occasion that I got to understand that they speak Igbo language in upward of 13 states in this country. We never knew, we only just thought that probably in 5 eastern states, Delta states, and part of maybe River State, that is where Igbo language is spoken. So this group coming together to bring all Igbo speaking people together in another body is a thing that, of course, is highly commendable and encouraging.
The man that just spoke in that video is the chief of staff to the governor of Delta State. We invited the government of Delta State to come and open the Igbo Bu Ofu ceremony. The chief of staff to the governor of Delta State represented the governor. The chief of staff to the governor of Delta State said that it was in that Igbo Bu Ofu Conference that he realized that Igbos are indigenous in 13 Nigerian states. He said he thought that Igbos are only indigenous in 5 states. But that conference opened his eyes and made him understand that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states in Nigeria. So many people in this country called Nigeria don't even know that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states. Even politicians, so many politicians don't know that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states. Some Igbo people, Igbo themselves, so many Igbo people don't know that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states. So many people don't know that Igbos are indigenous in Bayelsa State. Go Bayelsa State, Igbos are there. They are in their own land. That land where they did for Bayelsa State. Now then get the land. They speak Igbo language there. Everything about them is Igbo. The Igbos in Bayelsa State are Okwane people. Igbos are indigenous in Bayelsa State. Igbos are indigenous in Edo State. Igbos are indigenous in Kogi State. Igbos are indigenous in Benue State. Igbos are indigenous in Akwa Ibom State. Igbos are indigenous in Cross River State. Igbos are indigenous in River State. Igbos are indigenous in Delta State. Igbos are indigenous in Anambra State. Igbos are indigenous in Enugu State. Igbos are indigenous in Ebonyi State. Igbos are indigenous in Imo State. Igbos are indigenous in Abia State. Go to those states, all these communities, they speak Igbo language there. The land they occupy in those locations is their land. But so many Nigerians thought that Igbos are only found and are indigenous in just 5 states. If you thought that Igbos are only indigenous in 5 states, what then happened to the Igbos in Delta State? What then happened to the Igbos in River State? At least these regions now, regions where we say Igbo population plenty for there. We are here to tell the world that Igbos are not just in 5 states. Igbos too plenty. The population of Igbos in Edo State is much. Ibanke, Iru, Ogada, and some other communities in that Edo State. Now Igbo that they speak. They are Igbos from Ika extraction. Go River State. Igbo is the most populated tribe in River State. If you go Benue State, we have so many Igbo communities there. Kogi State, so many Igbo communities there. All these people are Igbo people. The government of Delta State came out in public saying that they have just confirmed that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states. And when we come online and say that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states, you will see so many of us why that don't want Igbos to unite. Will be telling you there are no Igbos in Delta State, there are no Igbos in River State, there are no Igbos in Kogi State, there are no Igbos in Benue State, there are no Igbos in Edo State, there are no Igbos in any 13 states. Igbos are only located in 5 states. People who also call so one key. Igbos dey 13 states, we say Igbos dey 13 states. It's not all about coming online to type rubbish saying that there are no Igbos in Kogi State, there are no Igbos in Delta State. All those things that they are writing ends in that their comment section. It ends in that their post. All those things are just propaganda to divide the Igbo race. Government of Delta State, they thought say Igbos dey 13 states. You will be say you be poor man pikin. Your papa poor, your grandpapa poor, your great grandpapa poor. You people are not even the policy makers in that state. Nobody know now. You just come online, they talk say there are no Igbos in any 13 states. You say people go about propagating that there are no Igbos in Delta State. The government of Delta State recognized we Anioma people as Igbo. The government of Delta State did not call we Okwane people, Okwane tribe. They did not call Ika people, Ika tribe. They did not call Oshimiri and Aniocha people, Oshimiri and Aniocha tribe. They called us Igbo. And you will see some people online saying that there are no Igbos in Delta State. Those people know that we Anioma people speak Igbo, that we are Igbo people. But pain, osukoso, obi mbawa, iwe nonoma, off where not allow them talk truth. I call those people Ozwai. You get what him be say, you know say this thing na truth, but you no one admit say na truth. Such people are Ozwai. I saw one person from Igbo, and I called him an Igala person. That Igbo person told me, no, Igbo people are not Igala people, though we speak Igala, but we Igbo people, we are not Igala. We are separate from Igala people. And I told him, you be Igala person, your language is Igala. Igbo is just an Igala dialect. Now, Ida from come this Igbo where they are normal and where una dey. So you people are Igala people. I have the opportunity to tell him that Igbo people are not Igala people. I go fit tell and brainwash and tell and say Igbo dey different from Igala. But what will be my gain if I start to dey lie give am? I don check and finish know say if I lie give this person, say them wey be Igbo people not be Igala people. A day must surely come when people from that Igbo will start propagating it online, saying that they Igbo people are Igala people, and they will be doing everything possible to unite with their Igala brothers in Kogi State. So no matter as I tell lie give am, the truth must surely come out one day. Now why e not good to lie give people about where they belong? There are Urobo people in Bayelsa State. Urobo communities now Urobo that they speak for there. Will I now go and be telling them that Urobo people in Bayelsa State are not brothers with Urobo people in Delta State? Or should I go and be telling them that there are no Urobo people in Bayelsa State just to make sure that Urobo people in Delta State are not united with the ones in Bayelsa State? What will be my gain to divide people? What did I go gain? This is the same thing other tribes in this country called Nigeria are doing to we Igbos. You they see say we Anioma people na Igbo we they speak. They tell us say Anioma people are not Igbos. They are not one people with the southeast. Anioma people are separate people. They are on their own. They have nothing to do with the southeast. You know say we be Igbo. They talk say not be Igbo. Such a person is an Ozwai. The government of this country called Nigeria, the federal government recognized we Anioma people as Igbo people. The government of Nigeria will tell you face to face that Igbos are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. This is why I'm telling my Igbo brothers that they should ignore these people that are suffering from rabies coming online to back saying that Igbos are only indigenous in 5 states. Ignore those people. In this country, Igbos are a majority. You will be surprised to know that Igbo nation is the most populous in this Nigeria. Do you know the population of Igbo people in Nigeria? We too many. If you go to every state in Nigeria, after the indigenous tribes there, the most populated people there are Ndi Igbo. We get population. So you are telling me that that population is only Igbos in 5 states. Igbo Bu Ofu, we can never allow anyone to divide us. We are Igbo people. We are Anioma people. We are Igbo people. Ikwere people are Igbo people. Ndoni people are Igbo people. Echie people are Igbo people. Everyone that the language that is being spoken in their community is Igbo, that person is an Igbo person. Stop allowing propaganda. People who don't want to make Igbos unite. Stop allowing those people to deceive you. You they speak Igbo language. Person where they say in own tribe not they speak Igbo, they tell you say you not be Igbo person. Your mind supposed to tell you say this person is Igbo person, you're not good. Shey na me dey now dey talk say Urhobo people are indigenous in Bayelsa State. Shey na me dey talk am now. So many Urhobo people don't even know that they are Urhobo people indigenous in Bayelsa State. So many Urhobo people don't know. But any Urhobo person wey go come across this video go know say they get brothers for Bayelsa State. This is to tell you that we, the Igbo Unification Movement, we don't support disunity. We don't disunite people. What will be our gain to disunite people? Now me they talk now say Igbo people for Anioma land are Igala people, that they are one people with the Igala people in Ida. Every tribe is allowed to unite with their brothers. Leave we Igbos alone to unite with our own brothers. But whether they like it or not, no matter the propaganda that they spread, they just they waste their time. Benin people in Edo State were saying that there are no Igbos in Edo State. Ibanka people are there saying that they are Igbo people. Iru people are there saying that they are Igbo people. Ika communities in Edo State are saying that they are Igbo people. If you go to those Ika communities in Edo State, now you go take your eye, confirm, say, Igbo. If you go to Bayelsa State, you confirm, say, these people in this Bayelsa State or Sekonike and others, Igbo. If you come to Ika land, you go say, Igbo. Go River State, you go say, Igbo. There's no difference. When it comes to culture, tradition, way of life, food, art, everything, we are one people. The Igbos in the Southeast are not more Igbo than the Igbos in South. They are not more Igbo than the Igbos in Middle Belt. We are one people. Igbo is Igbo. In the whole of Nigeria, now only Igbo people, they located in 13 states. Just imagine the marginalization. As the thing they create state, say people when they speak the same language go they one state. Not be making they break people, they carry people, they put for a different section. Go one divided us. If not be that division now, we Anioma people we go to coexist with our Southeast brothers. Now Southeast we suppose they. All these Igbos where they 13 states now. Now Southeast all of them suppose they. But because of divide and rule, they scattered us. And that is why we are here to unite our people. The easiest way to destroy a people is to create disunity in their midst. As go and divide us, now why you go see so many Okwane people come online, they tell you say, we Okwane people, we are not Igbos, we are Delta State people, we are Bendel people, we are Niger Delta people. Niger Delta is now your tribe. Some of them will be telling you, we are South people. South is now your tribe. Just imagine. Ibad say, youth of nowadays cannot reason, they cannot think. People where they speak the same language with, you they talk say you and them not be one people. Such youths are Ozwai, they not get sense. Now why they call them Ozwai? People will say today insult people for your video, not be insult. Anybody where not they reason, you not they reason. You there's opportunity to reason, not one reason. That person Ozwai not get sense. Me the person where they say I understand the dialects in the Southeast. I go to talk see me and they not be brothers. Fulani person in Nigeria is calling Fulani people in Cameroon his brothers. Fulani in Cameroon is calling Fulani people in Mali his brothers. As Fulani people they scatter all over Africa, when they see each other, they identify with each other, they hug each other, calling themselves brothers. You wait in Nigeria, be say your language, now another person wait on that place they speak, you still have the guts to come out online to say that you are not brothers with those people. You know, just say some person knows why. Common sense is intelligence. Common sense. Get sense. Now who gets sense? Get sense. A sensible person is an intelligent person. The government of Delta State have recognized we Anioma people as Igbo people. The federal government of Nigeria have recognized that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states. So no mind all these people when they come and talk Igbos are only indigenous in 5 states. Igbos go with your 5 states. No mind all those people. Igbos must unite. Ishiawale.